Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove fingerprint on Realme C67 device. Sometimes, fingerprint sensors may malfunction or fail to recognize fingerprints accurately. In such cases, users may choose to remove their fingerprint and rely on alternative authentication methods until the issue is resolved. Okay, and then how to remove it from this device. Let's go to the tutorial. First of all, please open the settings menu on your device. And then here you can scroll down. And then please select the security and privacy option on your device. Okay, and then please choose the device unlock here. And then you can select Face and Fingerprint Unlock option. Okay, and then please enter your security code, be it a PIN, password, or pattern. Okay, after that, here you can tap the fingerprint option. And then you can delete it by pressing trust icon. Okay, and then now, the fingerprint on your device is successfully removed. That's the tutorial on how to remove fingerprint on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.